what are we doing today?
So all we need to do is we need to thread the halyard of the so-called pusher, the mizzen staysail, through that block over there, because it slipped out in the last operation, and we really need it. We don't have much wind, and so it gives another knot. It's gives another knot of speed.
Yeah. So who's going up there?
The lightest.
I hope that's me.
So I thought it was Scout.
Scout's going up there?
Yeah, Scout's on a mission.
I thought that was first mate's job, to go up in the busting chair. I want to go.
You want to go?
I do want to go. Okay.
I
want to go. I'm sorry I'm not petite, but I think you're strong enough to get me up there. You won't let me fall, will you?
No.
Seems like my big old butt would be filling the chair a little better. And you said wrap my legs like this?
Yeah, but once you
It's gonna hurt if I fall. What?
Okay, me too.
We're twisted?
Yeah.
Okay. Come back down?
Sitting on the thing?
Yeah, I'm sitting on the boom. Okay. How do people do this by themselves?
There is a tool.
I saw Papa Bob do it.
I'll take you up. You take up with yourself, like a little. You know, secure it. You know.
Yeah.
You pull it.
I feel like I'm slipping out of the chair.
You do?
Maybe not. I just don't feel like my butt is all the way in it.
Okay. No, you're not. Okay.
I don't
Just
know.
slide further in. Then push yourself. Yeah.
I mean, I don't think my whole body can flip through, but my butt is not in there good. But I think it's okay.
Can you slip out?
I don't think my whole body's gonna slip through this hole right here.
That's right.
I'm sorry about that. Should I try to help her? Okay. No going back now. Okay. Okay. Should I be like leaning? Whoa.
Huh?
Should I lean backward?
Why? No, keep close to the mast.
Okay. Should I keep my legs wrapped around it?
Yeah.
I don't have to get hold on it. Like if I fall, my legs are. I'm going all the way to the top.
Well, you're almost halfway up.
This is working out my abs pretty good.
Your abs?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. I'm trying to stay like in the chair and that is like hanging out the chair. Okay, I am up on top of the world, looking down on creation. Let me see if I can see you now.
Okay, did you get it?
Wait a second. you know we're nuclear industry. The only thing that comes off me is my, you know, well, I won't say it. Where did I put my feet? My legs.
No, on the boom, on the boom. On the boom, yeah, on the boom. On the boom of the
Should I sit on it? Oh.
knee on it. Try
Oh,
knee on
okay.
it.
Okay. I have the floor. I have the ground.
Well done, baby.
Okay, that was fun.
Are you official sailor? First time
I'm
the
an
bottom
official sailor. Hey, that's all it took. I could have avoided all that seasickness. That was cool. That was fun.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
I'll say,
That's what I call a wedgie.
that was the view.
Do you know about a wedgie? Do you know what a wedgie is? When your underwear goes all the way up your butt crack, it's called a wedgie. I have a bad one. Is that not a German term?
Not quite.
I tried to get a picture, but I was afraid I might drop my camera. My phone.
Not afraid. You were not afraid of dropping yourself.
I was more afraid of losing the camera, the phone, and the evidence of being up there. Woo! Alrighty.